morning. It's 31st December and I've woken up to a really beautiful view outside. You can actually see a good view of Himalayas from here. I'm at this place called Sankri, which is at 1900 meters. And today we are going for a 4 kilometer trek. So it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, it is anyway going to take us around 4 to 5 hours to do that.
We have a long day ahead of us. Gonna quickly have breakfast and get going.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me wrong. I'm so mistaken. Cause you all the pieces back together.
We are about an hour into our journey and the landscape has changed completely.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever.
So we've been walking kind of consistently all along and have been stopping at places to have Maggie and some other snacks. Right behind me you see there's this campsite. I think that's Kedarkantha, so let's find out.
And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know
Turns out this is not Kedarkantha and there is some more time to go. My guy told me that the climb from here is not easy. The remaining stretch actually is going to be steadily steep. I'm pretty nervous to hear that, but there's still a strong feeling of satisfaction and accomplishment right now.
I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Finally made it to Kedarkantha. It took us around 4.5 hours to complete just 4 kilometers.
This campsite is at an altitude of 2700 meters and it is super cold right now. For now, let's just come have lunch.
You're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Post lunch, we were allotted our tents, so let me quickly show it to you from the inside. So inside the tent, we have 2 sleeping bags that can withstand really low temperatures. And then there's a fleece liner that is inside the sleeping bag and it keeps you really warm.
We have some hot tea here and some popcorns. I'm wearing like 2 layers of socks plus these heavy shoes. Nothing seems to be working. My toes especially, they are like so numb. Tomorrow we head out for the Kedarkantha base camp and we are going to gain an altitude of another 700 meters. So it's going to be super cold. Hey, morning everybody. Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you have a great year. Here we just woke up at Kedarkantha. It's 6:50 a.m. right now and we are just packing our things up. There's breakfast going to be served in some time. Before that I'm gonna go freshen up and I don't have any plans to change clothes. It is so cold. We charge our phones with the power bank that we got. So right now it's at 90%. As long as my phone is alive, I'm gonna vlog it for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's meet some fellow hikers. Some are this shy types. Hi Kunal, are you excited?
Yes.
How did you sleep last night, Smriti?
Oh my god, it was a very different experience and quite stiff, but the sky was worth it. So yeah, a different experience and a different way to celebrate a new year.
अपना डिस्टेंस आज का है 2.5 किलोमीटर। साइनिंग वाला जगह में पैर नहीं रखना। पैर जब गड्ढे गुड्ढे होते हैं ना, छोटे छोटे गड्ढे, जहाँ आपको लगता है कि मेरा बैलेंस बन सकता है, वहाँ पर रखना, ठीक है?
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on.
So we arrived here at the Kedarkantha base camp. We started from the Judakat Talab at around 10 a.m. and we reached here in 2 hours and covered a distance of around 2.5 kilometers. It was quite easy if we compare it to the yesterday's climb, and that's the summit where we are going to go tomorrow. We are going to get up at around 2, then we are going to leave from here at around 3 in the night. So that's really quite chilling and exciting at the same time, and we are going early just so that we can catch the sunrise.
Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth.
If you're still thinking about doing this trek or not, I would say just think it from the point of view that it is more of a mental test than just a physical test.
कल हमें 3812 मीटर गेन करना है। कल कम से कम 4 घंटा लगने वाला और उतरने में कम से कम 3 आवर्स, ठीक है?
Your body might give up at some point, but then you'll see your destination right in front of your eyes, and that for sure is gonna be a surreal experience.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the
It's
feeling
8:30 p.m. right now. We are done with the dinner and done with the briefing. After the briefing, we were provided with the snow protectors. So there are two things. One is going to help us with the grip on the snow, and the second thing is going to help our snow pants and the socks from getting wet. So wish me good luck. Very sleepy right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Bye. Walked a lot, like covered 70%. It's the summit and still 4 steps to go. So we have come all the way from up there. It's 6:50 a.m. and we have almost reached the summit. I think we are at 3,700 meters and the summit is at 3,800, so another 100 meters to go.
the stars come to shine?
Check out the views, it looks so unbelievable. And the sun is about to rise.
What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
It's snowing right now. Finally made it to the holy peak of Kedarkantha, which is visited by a number of tourists every year.
And these tourists are especially big devotees of Lord Shiva, and as believed, Lord Shiva meditated here before proceeding towards Kedarnath. I'm so thrilled to have made it to the peak. There is so much energy and positive vibes here. I just forgot how tiring and strenuous the climb was.
Wish I had more words to explain how I feel right now. And now it's time to descend. We are going back to the Kedarkantha base camp and hoping to reach there in another 3 hours. Back to Sankri in 3 hours from Hardong. Sankri was the first base camp. Right now my feet are hurting so badly, so it's gonna be a day full of rest. And I end my vlog here. I hope you liked watching it, and if you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again from a new place. Bye.